Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In this video, we are going to see some very exclusive bridal Kanjivaram silk sarees. All these are pure double and triple warp hand woven Kanjivaram silk sarees. The zari used is 1 gram and 2 gram golden zari weaving. We have some very exclusive designs and color combinations. All these sarees are available in our website. You can shop online at www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. We have similar collections decked up at all our stores in Chennai, Bengaluru and in Hyderabad. You can also visit our store to take a look at the entire collection. As part of Pongal and Shankranti sale, flat 10% discount is available across the website and at all our stores. First one for today is this off-white with red, a very unique sari with short and long traditional Korvai Kanjivaram borders on either sides with beautiful feather weaves running all over the body. A rich contrast Kanjivaram style pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching blouse in red, priced at 24,990. Baby pink with dark pink, one more beautiful color combination with very pretty Korvai Kanjivaram borders along with peacock weaving towards the bottom part of the border. The body has got very subtle and rich brocade weaving with small and big buttas running all over the sari. A contrast rich pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a matching blouse in pink, priced at 19,150. Lime green with red, one more pretty color with Korvai Kanjivaram borders along with floral brocade weaving running all over the body. A rich contrast zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a self-embossed matching blouse priced at 29,350. This one is a single color tissue Kanjivaram silk sari, a lovely shade of purple with short zari woven floral borders along with tissue weaving with brocade zari woven pattern running all over the sari. A rich self pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching tissue blouse priced at 22,990. Off-white with red, one more beautiful color with very pretty Korvai Bavanji along with peacock woven pattern towards the bottom part of the border. The body has got very pretty brocade weaving, simple zari woven buttas running all over the sari, giving it a very rich and a classy look. A rich contrast pallu in red, that's the pallu, and a self-embossed blouse in red, priced at 29,350. One more gorgeous sari in tissue Kanjivaram. It's a lovely shade of peach with purple combination, short and long traditional Korvai Kanjivaram borders with bavanjis along with mile chakram pattern along both sides of the borders. The body is in peach tissue with beautiful floral zari weaving running all over the sari. A rich contrast purple pallu, that's the pallu, and a tissue blouse in purple, priced at 31,650. Grey with blue, one more pretty sari with contrast Korvai borders in violet, Kanjivaram style with contrast selvage on either sides. The body is in golden zari brocade weaving, floral pattern running throughout the body. A rich contrast pallu in violet, that's the pallu, and a matching self-embossed blouse in violet, priced at 25,990. Yellow with teal, one more beautiful and a very unique color combination with traditional retapet borders on either sides with self-embossed thread weaving running all over the body. A rich contrast pallu in teal, that's the pallu, and a matching teal blouse priced at 19,890. Baby pink with dark pink, one more pretty color with contrast Korvai borders along with floral brocade weaving in the body. A rich Kanjivaram zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching blouse in hot pink priced at 21,490. Mango yellow with magenta, one more pretty sari with short contrast Korvai borders on either sides with very classy woven pattern and floral design running all over the body. A rich contrast pallu in magenta, that's the pallu, and a matching brocade blouse priced at 18,350. All these sarees are available in our website. You can shop online at www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. People in Chennai, Bengaluru and in Hyderabad, we welcome you all to visit our store to take a look at the entire collection. We have many more unique designs and colors that have been decked up at all our stores. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.